Welcome back. We are doing problems in algebraic expressions, exercise 4. So in today's class, the first problem is subtract the second expression from the first. So we have to subtract the second from the first. So first we write the first expression 2a plus b, okay, minus of a minus b. Now we are subtracting now. So first write 2a plus b, multiply with minus sign. Second term you multiply with minus sign and open the brackets. So we get minus a plus b. Now plus 2a minus a is a. Plus b will become plus 2b. Okay. So this is over. Now we'll go to the second one. In the second one we have x plus 2y plus z minus of minus x minus y minus 3z. Now we'll simplify this. X plus 2y plus z plus x plus y plus 3z. We multiply with minus and open the bracket. Now x plus x will become 2x. 2y plus y will be 3y. Then z plus 3z will become 4z. Right? So this is completed. Now we go to the third one. In third one we have first we write 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square, right? Then minus of 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square, right? So now 3a square minus 8ab minus 2b square minus 3a square plus 4ab minus 6b square. We multiplied with minus and open the brackets. Then after that, see, plus 3a square minus 3a square cancels. Now minus 8ab plus 4ab is minus 4ab. Then minus 2b square minus 6b square is minus 8b square, right? So this is completed. Now we'll go to the fourth one. See, in fourth one, what we do is, see, it's a normal expression, right? First we write like this. It is 4pq minus 6p square minus 2q square and minus 9p square. Now we'll simplify this. So 4pq minus 6p square minus 2q square and minus 9p square. 4pq as it is, then minus 6p square minus 9p square is minus 15p square and minus 2q square will bring down as it is. So this is over. Now we'll go to this fifth one. See, in fifth one the first expression we write as it is, then minus of 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So we get 7 minus 2x minus 3x square minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 we got. So now 7 plus 3 is 10. So we write 10 minus 2x plus 5x is 3x. Then after that x square terms, minus 3x square minus 2x square is minus 5x square. So now next problem we'll see. So in this one, first expression we write 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square, then minus of 3x square minus xy minus 2y square. So we'll simplify this. So it is 5x square minus 3xy minus 7y square minus 3x square plus xy plus 2y square. We multiply with minus sign and open the brackets. Now 5x square minus 3x square is 2x square, right? Then minus 3xy plus xy, minus into plus is minus, minus 3xy plus xy will become minus 2xy. Then after that y square terms, minus 7y square plus 2y square, minus into plus is minus, so minus 7 plus 2 will become minus 5y square. So this is completed. Now we'll go to the next one. So in this one, first we write the first expression 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus of 3m cube plus 4, right? Now after that 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 3m cube minus 4. We multiplied with minus and open the bracket of the second term. Then after that, see, 6m cube minus 3m cube is nothing but 3m cube, right? Then after that, m terms, m square terms, only one m square term we have, so that is 4m square, right? Then we have only 7m, we write as it is. Then minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7, okay? So this is completed. Next problem, subtract the sum of x square plus 5xy plus 2y square and y square minus 2xy minus 3y square from minus 3x square from the sum of the next two expressions, 6x square minus 8xy plus minus y square and 2xy minus 2y square minus x square. So here first we'll add them, first two expressions we'll add, and after that these two expressions also we'll add, that result we'll subtract. So first we'll add, so first we are adding the sum. So first is x square minus 5xy plus 2y square and minus 3x square minus 2xy plus y square. So if you add, we get 3y square, right? Then after that minus 7xy, minus into minus plus, we are adding minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. X square, see, no, we don't have any sign for x square, it is understood to be plus. Plus x square minus 3x square will become minus 2x square. So we added these two. Now I'll add the next two expressions again. So here I'll do it, just put sum and add those two. So that is 6x square minus 8xy minus y square. Then after that minus x square plus 2xy, then minus 2y square. So we are adding, so we get 5x square minus 6xy then minus 3y square. So we added this. After that what we have to do is subtract the sum of these two from the sum of the next two. So after sum of the two expressions, after from we have 6x square minus 2xy minus 8xy minus y square and 2xy minus 2y square minus x square. So the result after from whatever we get, this is the result. This one minus this we have to do. So now I write 5x square minus 6xy minus 3y square. Then the other one what we have is 2xy minus, sorry, it's not this. Then after that the result minus 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square. Now I am subtracting this. So when we subtract, we need to change the signs. So we have changed the signs. Now minus 3y square minus 3y square is minus 6y square. Minus 6xy plus 7xy is plus xy. Then 5x square plus 2x square is 7x square. So this is a result. Okay. So this is completed. Next problem. What should be added to 1 plus 2x minus 3x square to get x square minus x minus 1? So what should be added to 1 plus 2x minus 3x square to get x square minus x minus 1? See, what should be added to this expression? So we don't know what to add, so put it as some question mark, and the result they have given as x square minus x minus 1. So to find what should be added, what we have to do is x square minus x minus 1 as it is, and this whole expression you transpose on the other side, then each and every term changes its sign. That is, when 1 we transpose on the other side, will become minus 1, this will become minus 2x, this is plus 3x square, and now we need to simplify this, we will get the result. So this is nothing but x square plus 3x square is 4x square, minus x minus 2x is minus 3x, minus 1 is minus 2, right? So this is completed. Now we'll go to the next one. What should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to get minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20? So what should be taken away from? So that is, first we write 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus, we don't know what should we have to subtract. So the result is given as minus x square plus 6xy plus 20. Okay. So now we need to find out the question mark, that is the unknown expression we have to find out. But remember, this unknown expression is having a negative sign. So first what I do is, I'll write this expression as it is. As the unknown one, the question mark is negative, we transpose this question mark on the other side, it will become the plus, and this expression, this whole expression we write on the left side, transpose to the left side. So this will become plus x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 20 is equal to the unknown. So unknown is positive. Now if you simplify this, we get the unknown expression. So 3x square plus x square will become 4x square plus 5xy minus 6xy is minus xy, right? Then after that y square terms, minus 4y square plus y square is minus 3y square. Then the numbers, see, plus 20 minus 20 cancels. Now xy terms is completed, 5xy minus 6xy minus xy. So the result is, what should be taken away from the 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to get is 4x square minus xy minus 3y square. So next one, the sum of three expressions is 8 plus 13a plus 7a square, and two of them expressions are given, 2a square plus 3a plus 2 and 3a square minus 4a plus 1. You have to find the third expression. So first what we do, two of them are given. So first we'll add two of them. So what are those two of the expressions? That is 2a square plus 3a plus 2. We can add this way. This is a horizontal vertical method. So 3 minus a and 5a square. This is the result of sum of two expressions. Now after getting this result, what we do is 5a square minus a plus 3. We have to add something to this, so that the result of this is 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. Okay, sum of two expressions plus third one is the result. Resultant expression is 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. So now to find this unknown, what we'll do is 8 plus 13a plus 7a square minus of 5a square minus a plus 3, right? So we'll simplify this. So it is 8 plus 13a plus 7a square minus 5a square plus a minus 3. So now 8 minus 3 is 5, 13a plus 2, 13a plus a is 14a, 7a square minus 5a square is 2a square. Okay, so this is completed. Next problem. Here three expressions are given to us and they are represented with a, b and c. So in the first bit we have to find out a plus b plus c, right? So first we do a plus b plus c. First we'll add a and b, right? So what is a plus b? First we do a plus b. A plus b is nothing but, or else we can write it in a step, that is directly we can do a plus b plus c. That is, what is a? It is 4x square plus y square minus 6xy. Just put plus and write b. It is 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy plus 6x square plus 8y square plus 6xy. Now after writing all the three expressions, see, first 4x square plus 12x square plus 6x square, x square terms, Then xy terms I write minus 6xy plus 8xy plus 6xy. xy terms we group. Now y square terms. So plus y square plus 3y square plus y square plus 3y square plus 8y square plus y square plus 3y square plus 8y square. So 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22x square. Minus 6xy plus 6xy cancel. So this 8xy as it is. Then y square plus 3y square is 4y square. 4y square plus 8y square is, it is 12y square. So we completed a plus b plus c. Now we have to do a minus b of minus c. So first what we do is, first we do a minus b. So what is a minus b? So a is 4x square plus y square minus 6xy. Then minus of b is 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy. So 4x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 3y square minus 12x square minus 8xy. Now just subtract these two. 4x square minus 12x square is minus 8x square. Then minus 6xy minus 8xy is minus 14xy. Then y square terms, plus y square minus 3y square is minus 2y square. See, after this a minus b, now a minus b of minus c we do. So that is a minus b of minus c. What is a minus b? Minus 8x square minus 14xy minus 2y square minus of c. So what is this c? 6x square plus 8y square, 6x square plus 8y square plus 6xy, right? So now minus 8x square minus 14xy minus 2y square minus 6x square minus 8y square minus 6xy. Multiply with minus sign and open the second term brackets. Now after that, minus 8x square minus 6x square is minus 14x square, right? After that, minus 14xy minus 6xy is minus 20xy. Then y square terms, minus 2y square minus 8y square is minus 10y square, right? So this is completed.